Thank you for joining. Lamig. Bawat minuto. I didn't have a choice. Why? You didn't have a choice for what? For what? Oh my god. Why lul? Why you didn't have a choice? Joy. Thank you. Thank you for supporting me always. Thank you so much. Oh my god, read. Thank you for supporting me. You're welcome. Hope you support me forever in my life.
Ang 90 daw, sabi ni kanina. 910 man lang dito. 410.
Okay, 90. 500 din natin sa imo.
Dili, 90. Masad sila.
500 din sa ako.
Sada, insin. Wala, ganun 1,000.
Sa imo, sa imo.
Ah, sila mga barya.
Kaya nga.
90 at 20 ro. 90 at 20 ro.
90 na yan.
90.
Ay. 90 na baga.
Okay.
Hi, just give me that TV you want. Yes! Yes. I want BB. What you buying now? Not buying. Hi, 17. Give me what you want. I want BB, 5 BBs. Not buying. Thank you for 6 million here. Who you lending money to? How much? No. No lending. My mom. He paid us. Coke. Hi, Anvit Pujari. Hi, Anvit Pujari. Hello. How are you, Anvit Pujari? good. Okay, where are you from, Anvet? Pujari. Thank you, 12 people here. Thank you so much.
Uy, puli ako!
I said, where are you from, Anvet? Abit is a child. Okay. Anvit, how old are you, Anvit? Thank you for joining, everyone. Ah, 7 years old. You're too young, Anvit. Too young, too young. Too young. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Gab, wala di si Gab. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Thank you so much. Ben's Katripan watching us. Hi, Ben's Katripan. Hello, thank you for watching. Salamat. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, William Lafarty. Hello, William. Thank you for joining. I'm glad to see someone pretty and beautiful. Cool. Thank you, William. Thank you for the thumbs up. How are you? Mario Ladrera. Hello po, good evening. Shout out Palo Lady. Hi, shout out from Palo Lady. Hello. Hi, Mopsy. Welcome back. It's a very long time no here. I'm good right now, but don't know later. Why? Hi, Mopsy. Why no later? Why not good later? What happened later?
Mama, malaba ka sa aga.
Yes.
Ma, maglaba ka.
Ay, nalabahan na yun na ano mo, para lay pa nag-uran, diri nakapamarabado.
Ngayon,
Adiyo? Opo.
baho. Maglaba ka.
Kain tayo, ma'am. Ulam ko isda, may sabaw. Ay, sarap naman yan.
Mama, kaywaro na ako ba do?
Masarap po. Masarap malamig yung isda. Mario, can you speak Mario English? Mario, can you speak English, please? Yeah.
Ay, susmay. Ay, susmay.
Turog na.
Dali pa.
What? Ma'am, taga
Mama,
daw.
6 plus 6.
Sabi mama ko.
6 plus 6.
Ikaw, 6 plus 6.
12. Lagi man.
Ah.
Ito na yung plus ko sa inyo.
Ay, ito na ano mo, 50 mo. Ay. Ma'am, taga ka daw, sabi mama. Taga, what, taga Bicol po. Aray ko. Charot. I'm playing. Wag. Wag. Ganon. Wag mong tagalan. Someday. I don't wanna lose. I don't wanna lose. Ano to? Nakalimutan ko yun. This feeling.
Up.
Up, cut it up, up. Sino tao sa luwas?
Si Gab.
Tapos sino pa?
Si Gab.
Kahit storya sa Thanos.
Hindi yung Gab sa loob.
Ano, saraduhan ko na ikaw? Ha? Saraduhan ko na? Naka-istorya ka sa Thanos. Mura ka, eskwela sa aga? I don't wanna lose the nanan. Hello, anong sasabihin? Ba't wala nang ano? What is he wanting now? He asking for because he wants some stuff. I said no. Hi, Mopsy. Don't wanna lose this feeling. I don't wanna lose this feeling. Are you doing a Zumba? Yes. Every Sunday I'm doing Zumba. Yesterday we're doing Zumba. I don't wanna lose this feeling. Hello everyone, thank you for the thumbs up. It's a long time no hear, Mopsy. Long time no hear. I just wanna lose this feeling, this feeling, this feeling. Oops. Shut up. Dance with me. Thank you for joining, guys. Can you give the thumbs up? Cause I don't wanna lose this feeling. I don't 'Cause I don't wanna lose this feeling. I think bye. Cause I don't wanna lose this feeling. Hi, Greg Adventure TV. Good evening po ate. Hi, good evening din. Thank you for joining. Salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you po. Wait. I want to drink coffee. What is this feeling? This is good. Just another woman in love. Is it true? You are the control. Just another woman. Just another woman in love. Just another woman, just another woman in love. Just another... I practiced the slow walk. Like, something like that. Ako ang nakikita, ako ang nasisi, ako ang laging may kasalanan. Napagod na. Oh my God, how old are you? I'm 45. I'm looking old. 45 years old. Da 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 da. Just another one. Just another one. You not 45. 46? Maybe 46 years old. I'm not 45. 46. Getting old. Getting older. Getting older now. He looks 15 on his profile picture. Who? Who? Who looks 15 years old? Greg? Huh? Greg? Maybe you wrong channel you comment. Oh my god. Why you mention Greg? Wrong channel. Maybe you are on the another channel. Join the live and Greg is there. Oh my god. Share your loss with your chat there. Greg Adventure. Greg Adventure. Greg, how old are you? Okay, sorry. See, not. Sorry, I'm sorry. You know my mistakes. I overthink a lot. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry naman. Ay, Rodi na ka mo. Hi, Pico Side. Hi, nako. Bakit? That you not paying attention to your little B. Picture English only. Okay, sorry. Sorry, Tim. Sorry naman. Hi, Pico Side. Why hi nako? Bakit hi nako? Pico Side. Hi nako. Parang ano eh. Umay ba? Umay ba? Umay. Diego. Hola, Diego. Thank you for joining. Gab, time for him to settle down for the night. Yes. Gab!
Opo.
Opo. Hola, Jiga, hola. Nananay ito, Kuya Gabo, tabi ngayon. Ay, tapos na ka mo? Gab. Gab.
Ay, pagkuha.
Harold Mason. Good evening. Hi, Harold Mason. Good evening. Thank you for joining. Harold. What missing as Cheryl?
Saan mo ang charger?
Hmm?
Charger.
Ay, Usaga.
Limatol.
I'm always forget.
Naalala ko sa inyo.
Ano? Sorry naman.
Alam na akong bus man lang.
Wow. Her name is Cheryl, but with a C. Cheryl. Really? Cheryl Mazon. It's like he's a girl or he's a boy? Her ano? Her
Ngayon, sa room na
picture.
stand.
You can't see. Where are you from, Harold Masan? Weird looking man. Yeah. Juday Salahay. Hi, Juday Salahay. Tama. Cheryl. Hi, Tim. It's only a cake. It's a cake. A cake? Mm. Thank you for the thumbs up. It's only a cake. His profile is a cake, sorry. Okay. Okay, it's a cake. Gab, ayos ah. Are you a man or a woman? Of course, a man. A woman. Cheryl is the name of. I'm a female. That is my husband eating the cake. Wow, that's great. You have a husband. Okay. What means okay? Mom? No. No. Okay. That not that okay. Inaaway ako ng moderator mo, Cheryl. Ha, hindi naman. Bakit kaya? Hindi naman. Mabait po yan. Pagtulog, charot. English, please. English. Okay. Cheryl Masan team is he wants he's American, that's why he wants to understand the who commented here, that's why he asking for English. He don't understand the Tagalog. Just reading. It's a so what she say? And she said, you, Cheryl, what do you call this in English? Cheryl, ano ba yung inaaway sa English? Cheryl Mason? I don't know. I don't know how to see it in English. She said, your moderator Cheryl is your moderator Cheryl, he don't like me, something like that. Inaaway, like mahirap naman yung ano. Paki ano na Kuya Gab, pakibuklad na tabi kay maturog ka na naman so. I just wanted to call you kid, you're a female. Yes, that's why maybe. That's why maybe he thinks like that. She thinks like beautiful, beautiful angel. Good night. Thank you, Elsiva. Welcome back. Sorry. That's why I check your profile out. Nagkukulugan mata ko pag malapit. It's if near the screen it hurts the eyes because we get a lot of your kids on here. Yeah. Before the kids no earlier is like 7 years old, 9 years old. Hi, Enrique Alves. Hello. Young, not your. Yeah, young kid. Thank you for joining. Hi, Enrique Albas. Forevermore. Guys, hang out in her top fun stuff. Getting cold now here. You look beautiful. Thank you, Enrique. How are you? I'm fine. How about you? How are you? How are you today? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Pero me, I don't understand. Diego, what do you mean? Thank you for the thumbs up. Diego, can you speak English? Thank you. What is Spanish word, Spanish language? Diego. I have to pay. Gusto ko na magsayaw. I see you. Di ko kaya
Okay. Ako narada ko ganun.
Ang kate. Ang kuspad na. Gab, matulog na kita ko, Gab.
Ito, ganda mo na.
Ano, gasan.
Ah.
Ayan, pwede din. Ano mo na lang ito? Alugan mo kayo, gasan.
Nandun dito.
Sa likod.
Dulo mo.
Doon, ho, sa may ano.
Ito yung dala. De.
Ayun, sasalay mo.
De. Balik.
Ay, hudong ko man ikaw dito. Narot ako. Sige.
Mana malinigon dito, ama.
Paano?
Wow.
Dili. Ako na. Okay. Iangat mo yan.
Ang taga dito.
Shut the door.
Pwede may mag-comment na pa-shout out naman po.
Shout out. Oh. No. Shut the door. Ang sakit. Aray. The lock broken. Why are you sad? No, I'm not sad.
Sad ka ba lang?
Lemsi lips. I'm not sad. Turog na. Ayun, turog. Turog na! Turog na!
Ay, buhay na ako. Boring.
Turog na! Turog na!
Kaya tayo nananatiling alipin sa aming sariling bansa. Malalaking taong pao maliliit na mga sinusunod. Mga taong maraming ito. Nagliligaw sa maraming
Turog na. What are you eating? Grapes. Grapes. Cold, yeah. Cold here. Is Tondo really dangerous? I don't know. I can't see that because I'm not try to live there. Tondo is in Manila. Why you asking? Tondo is in Manila. I don't know. I don't know. I can't say that because I'm not experienced to live there. That's why. Tondo. Mm, I know a girl from there who told me this. Ah, okay. Mm, because Manila girl is like you need to be careful. Manila girl. Most Tondo Manila. You need to be careful. Mm, because I think just don't trust too much like in Tondo Manila. Okay, okay, why? Mm. Are you? Hi, Joel Raimondo. Are you? Do you have a mm, chatmate or Filipina from Tondo, Manila? Where are you from, my cutie? I'm from Philippines, Lim Salayeps. And you were from Lim Sala. Yeps. Which tribe? Bicol. What tribe? Not tribe. What tribe? Why tribe? Tribe. I'm from I'm from Kipaya, Nagaland. Which that place? Nagaland. Where's that place? Place. I can't hear that before. Just now. Which Keep higher. Where where that place? Where that country? Europe. Which where? America, Asian, something like that. India. Ah, okay, India.
Kasi
Nagaland.
anak, ano rin.
Ah, Cheryl. My name is Cheryl. Thank you for the thumbs up. Here in Brazil, the most dangerous city is Rio de Janeiro, near Sao Paulo. Ah, why? Why dangerous there? Cheryl read the screen. Okay, but I don't live there. Ah, okay, nice name. Thank you. Read the screen. What the screen? I read this. Nice name. Thank you. What are you doing test? This test. What the, what are you? What? I don't understand. Why you don't live there? Maybe because Rio is a city. Rio de Janeiro near Sao Paulo. It's a city. What? I think. Uh, I'm I get married this October. I'm getting married. You are looking beautiful. Thank you. You keep asking where he lives and told you already. I keep asking where he lives and okay.
Oo. Baka na.
Gusto mo pa?
Ba na. Tama sa kanya sa. So, na.
Raise your hand. Raise your hands up. Why? Why? Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, mom or sir. Sap no commands to the host. Ano tayo magkakadami ng kaibigan kung lahat na lang inaaway dito. Oh my gulay. Kaya Gab, ano na yun kuya? Are you alone, no? I'm with my son. Don, where is your family? Here. My family is in another room. And me with my son. My parents is in another room. Thank you for the thumbs up. Gab, nagbuklat ka na kay maturog na kita. Edgar Sky Official. Pwede po pa jacket. Salamat. Hi, Edgar. Edgar Sky Official. Hello po. Ikaw doon ako. Gab, buklat na Gab. Sorry. I really want to see your parents. They're sleeping. They are sleeping, my parents. They're already sleeping. Because here time almost 9:30 in the almost 9:30 in the evening. No, no, what? No lens. Lens. Thank you, Kuya Gab. Sapinan mo, Kuya Gab, tabi. Yan, ang kulay, yan. Blue. Bay talaga ni Kuya Gab. No lens.
Aray.
Kuya Gab, bro. Ano nandito ko sabi ko yan? Kuya Gab. Are you which ballads? Which ballads? What ballads means? Kuya Gab. What ballads means? Kuya Gab, oh. Ano ba yun doon sa kuya ko? So lamig. Dapat empagay ng malamigan, kuya. I can understand your language. Why? Because it's Tagalog. Our language is Tagalog. Bicol. Not Tagalog. Are you going to sleep now? Not yet. She is speaking English. Not yet sleeping, just lying on the bed. Not yet sleeping. In 2 minutes, she will fall asleep. No. Stop. No. No, I'm not.
Miniton.
Miniton? Oh, sige, wait lang. So cute. So cute. Kitty Kit Kat. How old are you, Lem Celiaps? How old are you? Do you have a family, kids? How to have your how many how to have your younger sister? I'm the youngest. I'm the youngest siblings. I'm the youngest. I have no youngest. Okay, yep. My sister is older than me, and I'm the youngest. Do you have do you have what? Do you have your sister? Yes. I have what do you call 4 sisters. Including me, we have 5 sisters. I have 4 sisters, and I 5 sisters. I 4 sisters. Counted 5 with me. Me myself were 5. sisters. My brother is 4, that's why 9. We have 9 siblings. 4 brothers, we're 5 sisters. Show your sister L, they want to see us. They have my sisters, they have own home, own family, and they have own home, they have family, and they already sleeping now, I think. They're sleeping. Oh my god. Why Lemsela? How old are you, Lemsela? How old are you? Alam na. Naantok na mi. Antok na mi. Ah. Good evening, Cheryl. How are you? Hi, guys. Welcome. Guys. Thank you for joining. Bye-bye. See you next live, guys. Thank you so much for joining, guys. You're late, guys. Goodbye. See you next live. Bye-bye. Love you all. Thank you for joining, guys.